And that's it. So we'll let her drain here. We'll keep this kind of in the same area just to catch any straggler, clean up the housing, put our new filter on. Let's get that prepped. Just gonna hang this for a second so we can make sure we get that all cleaned up. It's a little hard to get the camera up and in there, but just clean up that mating surface as much as we kind of can there. Doesn't make the biggest deal because there's a fat rubber gasket, but just be extra careful. Okay. Let's get some oil on our filter here. Nothing crazy, just a little bit here. Just lubing the seal. All right, so now we got our filter all looped up. Just going to go ahead and hand tighten this. And we'll spray some brake clean here to clean things up. Go ahead and get our oil drain out of here. We are done with that. Free up some space underneath the lift. Okay. Get some brake clean out. Spray some stuff down. Got a little bit of drippage down there on the concrete, but that's from the filter, so typical. Just kind of thin that out. Spray up underneath the filter here. Okay, we'll let her drip and kind of evaporate. Let's go ahead and torque down our drain bolt.